Hey friends. All right, we're going to read this story called Hickory Dickory Dock. There are going to be rhyming words in this story. Ready? Turn your ears on. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. So think about that. The first part that we read said Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the, what rhymes? Clock. Dock and clock rhyme. Good job. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The bird looked at the clock. So again, dock and clock rhyme. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory Dickory Dock. So let's go back. The clock struck 2. And there was another rhyming word that rhymed with 2. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. 2 and flew rhyme. Hickory Dickory Dock. All right, good job, guys.